Let's learn modal verbs. Do you know what do you mean by modal verbs? The modal verbs are nothing but a helping verb that shows ability, possibility, permission or necessity. There are many, but today we are going to discuss might, must, have to, has to. Okay? Welcome. Today we are going to discuss might or must, have to, has to. Okay? So these are the three modal verbs today we are going to discuss. So let's start. First one is might. Where we use might shows the possibility. Something may happen but is not sure. Sentences are like, it might rain today. You don't know. It will rain or not. Okay? So we can say, it might rain today. She might come to the party. So she can come or she can't. We don't know. So we can say that she might come to the party. So understood? Where we are going to use might. Now the use of must. Where we use must shows strong necessity or something very important or required. Okay? It. Like you must wear a helmet while riding a bike. Okay? While riding a bike, you must need a helmet, right? Students must respect their teachers. Okay, we must drink water every day to hydrate ourselves. So these are the things you are going to do it. It is important for you. Wearing a helmet is necessity. It is for your safety. Respecting your elders or teachers, this is also necessity. Okay, this shows the manners, right? We must drink water every day to hydrate ourselves. So next time you are using must, you better to remember where I am using. Okay, now have to or has to. Okay, shows external requirement, something you are obligated to do. Sentences like, I have to go to school at 8 am means you have to go, because if you go after 8, the school gate will be closed. So you have to go school at 8 am. Now another one, she has to take care of her baby brother because mama is busy now. So you have to take care. Okay, so have to we are going to use with I, you, we, they. Okay, and has to we are going to use with she, he, it. Okay, so understood where we are using might, must, have to or has to. Are you ready? You learned three modal verbs. Now you are going to use them proper sentences. Okay, so use wisely. If you listen carefully, learned, then you are going to use it wisely. I know that. Yes, let's start. She does visit her grandmother on Sunday. Here it is not necessity. It is showing the possibility. So we are going to use might here. Okay. What is the use? Might. It does snow tonight. Necessity or possibility? May be possible. So we can say it might snow tonight. They dash to be late for the movie. They might be late for the movie. I dash go to the library later. I don't know whenever I go. So I might go to the library later. Now, you dash drink plenty of water. You must. This is your necessity. You must drink plenty of water. Students dash reach school on time. Students must. This is necessity. We dash keep our environment clean. Tell me in the comment section, might or must. He dash tell the truth. Yes, he must. This is the necessity. Then only someone can help you, right? Now, I dash finish my assignment today. So here, what is it showing? The requirement. I have to, right? I have to finish my assignment today. She does wear her uniform to school. She has wear her uniform to school. They does wake up early every day. They have to wake up early every day. We does submit the project tomorrow. What we are going to use? Tell me in the comment section. Keep learning. Thanks for joining. See you again in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe, and please follow and subscribe Kiddoctive Homeschooling FB page and follow on Insta and Thread.